All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at ADA here. So, ADA, after this high to the low, after this accumulation here, it's getting a nice pump. And I would say the time is now. If ADA is going to be bullish, if the bulls are going to step in, you're back up here at the retest of your 200-day EMA. You can see the last time we were there, 2 wicks over it, but ultimately got stuck right at it. And then this is where we just kept coming down. So the time is now. If ADA here is going to be bullish, like I said, the bulls need to step in. We need to start buying this thing up. But ultimately, from that high back there to the low, after that 236 rejection a couple of times, you can see we finally got through it. And now we're getting stuck at that 382. So I did draw a red box on the chart here, pretty much from, not pretty much, but it is from the 382 to the 0.5 at 30. So anywhere from 29 cents to 30, 31 cents. We need to get over this red box, get over that 200-day EMA, and then we can finally start having some momentum up and looking at some higher price targets here. But if we do end up getting over the 382 and then that 0.5 over this red box, we must hold 30 cents here as support. We do not want to get above the 200-day EMA and then quickly fall right back down below it. So we want to officially be in an uptrend on Cardano, so this thing does not come back down like this little white line here, back down to the bottom, and then the low here breaks, and then we go for a new, some new lower prices here. So it's trying to be bullish right now. We can see that from the indicators, from the candles, from the move up. And if we look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles are printing green still. This one's getting a little bit smaller than the last one. So that could indicate that you're about to roll over to red and start trending down. So it all remains to be seen. Just watch these support levels, the resistance levels here, and we'll see if we can break over 29 and then eventually 30 cents here on ADA and get some bullish momentum going here. So if that is going to be the case, then of course the 200-day EMA, which we already tagged once, you can see there, and then the 0.5 ultimately Cardano needs to move up about 6% to get over this resistance box, and then we'll kind of take it from there. If you are bearish here, which it is from the high to the low, smacking into the 382, and you cannot get over 29 cents, it looks like you're going to drop back down here to the 27-cent range for a 7% drop, and then potentially back down here to the bottom at a 19% drop down to 23.5 pennies here on ADA. So like I already said, the time is now. Just due to the fact that you had that move, you're back at that 200. You really need to get some momentum going here. If we draw a little micro fib from the low here to the high, you can see the 0.5 takes us right here to that 27-cent range, and then of course a million other prices to watch. But if it's going to have a little retracement here, that would probably end up, what is in play here is a little pullback down that 7%, I believe it was, to that 27-cent range. So as long as you hold that, you're potentially still bullish here if you do get a little pullback. So we may end up doing something like this and then trying to get out of here. It's all going to depend. So just keep an eye on the support levels, keep an eye on that resistance, and we'll see which way this momentum is going to shift here on ADA. So we will leave it at that. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.